Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today we're actually going to be installing some titanium steering wheel bolts. I basically got this set here from AliExpress. They were pretty cheap, about 20 bucks I guess, Canadian, shipped. They came pretty quickly. It actually took about a week and they came. So we're gonna be putting these in. So what I did, which was a mistake, is I started touching these with my fingers just to kind of check them out and see how nice they look. And you're not supposed to be doing that because your hands have oils on them, and then when you touch the titanium bolts, when it gets out in the sun, it's gonna burn those marks into the bolt and it's gonna look pretty ugly. So what I'm gonna be doing today is I'm actually cleaning these with some isopropyl alcohol, and then we're gonna put them in, but while wearing gloves, of course. That way it doesn't contaminate the bolts and we're able to screw these things in nicely. So let's just get to work. Alright guys, so it comes in a nice case like this. It actually came really nicely packaged for what it is. And the bolts are all in here. So what I'm going to be doing is just taking them all out and putting them on this, I guess, towel. And we're going to spray them all down with alcohol and wipe it all down with a paper towel. And then put them back in the case. Essentially, you just don't want the faces to be kind of greasy. Alright, those are all clean now. And we're gonna go back into the car and we're gonna install them. So one of the cool things about these bolts that I'm putting in is they are Torx bolts. So it's less likely to strip those than it is to strip these Momo ones. Once you strip the Momo ones, they're actually a pain in the ass to get out. So all you do is just loosen them all. All right, there we go. All these are off. And then we're gonna put in some of these bolts. They look really nice. So since they're like a little bit different colored, so I'm gonna be putting the two orange ones on top and the bottom, and then the rest all the way around. And then it comes with a free wrench to put these on, so we're going to tighten them on. So I would suggest going in an X pattern, just like anything that's circular, so that it gets tightened down nice and even. There you go. That looks pretty damn sweet. Let's just check for tightness again one more time. That's pretty good. It doesn't have to be super tight. Just tight enough where it won't back off, that's all. There you go. That seems pretty good. Then one last wipe down with the IPA wipe. Since these gloves probably had some oils on them. And all I'm going to do here is just spray some onto paper towel and then just wipe it. Once you put these in, I don't think you would want to touch them. At least don't touch them with your hands because, like I said, it's going to leave grease marks on there and it'll burn right into it when it gets really hot. But that looks really cool. Gives you that real JDM look, huh? Anyways, guys, that basically concludes the install of these RTAMO titanium steering wheel bolts. So what I think of these is they're a great bang for the buck. Like if you look anywhere on the States, websites and stuff, they sell these similar bolts for about $30 US shipped, or not shipped, plus shipping. These cost me $20 Canadian, shipped to my door. Yes, they are from China, but they are stated as grade 5 titanium. There's no way for me to validate that, but people in the reviews have said that they are titanium because they've run tests on them. So, I mean, I'm just going to trust what they say. They don't look like cheap aluminum plated ones. I looked online. There's a lot of those aluminum steering wheel bolts, which I don't want because aluminum is quite weak compared to titanium. But I believe these are real titanium. Even though they're manufactured in China, they should be good for what they are. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it's a little short one, but if you haven't already, please comment, like, and subscribe, and share my videos. As always, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.